There is a quiet, almost sacred stretch of time every single morning. It exists before the emails begin to pile up, before your phone starts buzzing with endless notifications, and long before the rest of the world demands a piece of your attention. During this window, the entire day is still completely pliable, like wet clay waiting to be shaped. What you choose to do in these early hours doesn't just dictate your schedule. It sets your mental state, your emotional resilience, your energy levels, and ultimately, your self-respect. Productive people understand this truth intuitively. They don't leave their mornings to chance, and they certainly don't roll out of bed and immediately drag themselves into a reactive state. Instead, they treat the hours before 8 a.m. as an essential investment in themselves, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. The result isn't just a longer, busier to-do list. It is a profound sense of control, clarity, and calm that ripples through everything they do. If you have ever wanted to transform your mornings from a chaotic rush into a launch pad for peak performance, you are in the right place. We are going to break down 10 specific, neurologically grounded practices that successful people use before 8 a.m. every single day. These aren't generic tips like simply waking up earlier. They are nuanced, psychologically proven habits that compound over time. Best of all, we will look at how you can easily integrate these steps into a seamless morning routine using the Daily Path feature on NonoHub, a self-growth platform designed to turn these powerful insights into trackable daily actions. Rewire your morning brain. To understand how high performers start their day, we have to look at what happens the very second they open their eyes. Most people begin their day with a sudden jolt. The alarm blares, and before they even realize they are awake, they grab their phone. In an instant, a flood of emails and news triggers a cortisol spike, setting a baseline tone of urgency and low-grade anxiety. Highly productive people do something radically different. They wake up with intention, not as a reaction. When you wake up, your brain naturally transitions from deep theta waves to creative alpha waves, and finally to active beta waves. A sudden stressor, like a frantic alarm or a stressful social media feed, disrupts this transition and primes your amygdala, the brain's threat detection center, to be hyper-reactive for the rest of the day. By taking just 60 seconds to lie still and mentally set a simple intention, such as focusing on progress over perfection, you gently guide your prefrontal cortex online. You can easily solidify this habit by making Set Today's Intention the very first step on your NonoHub daily path. Taking a moment to type this intention into the app's journal box acts as a powerful psychological contract with yourself. Immediately after setting that intention, productive people focus on physical rejuvenation. They hydrate before they caffeinate. While we all love a warm cup of coffee, your body has just spent 6 to 8 hours losing moisture. Even a minor level of dehydration, as little as 1 to 2%, can significantly impair your short-term memory, focus, and cognitive processing speed. Because coffee is a diuretic, drinking it on an empty, water-deprived stomach can worsen this state. By drinking a large glass of water first, you literally wake up your brain cells and improve the electrical signaling between your neurons. It is a small physical win that signals to your brain that you are taking care of your body, creating immediate momentum. Activating the body and clearing the mind. Once the brain is hydrated, it is time for physical activation. Productive people do not necessarily engage in grueling, exhausting workouts at dawn. Instead, they use morning movement as a tool for cognitive activation. The goal here is not to burn hundreds of calories, but to spike your heart rate, oxygenate your blood, and release a powerful neurochemical cocktail of dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin. Whether it is a quick 10-minute yoga stretch, a brisk walk, or a light bodyweight circuit, morning movement has been shown to enhance executive function and neuroplasticity for the next 2 to 3 hours. This means you will learn faster and solve problems more creatively. By adding a flexible movement step to your daily path, you can customize your physical activity to match your daily energy levels, ensuring consistency over intensity. With the body awake, the next step is clearing the mental clutter. Have you ever sat down at your desk only to feel instantly overwhelmed by a swirling cloud of thoughts, tasks, and worries? Productive people clear this mental fog before they attempt to do any deep work. They practice a daily brain dump. This technique involves taking a notebook or opening your digital journal and writing down absolutely everything occupying your mental space. This includes outstanding tasks, random ideas, worries, or even minor social frustrations. The power of this practice is rooted in the Zeigarnik effect, a psychological phenomenon where the brain exerts continuous cognitive energy trying to remember incomplete tasks. By externalizing these thoughts, you tell your brain that the information is safely captured, allowing your mind to relax and focus. Using the embedded journal feature in NonoHub to record these daily brain dumps helps you recognize long-term cognitive patterns and track your mental clarity over time. Prioritizing the big rocks and priming your mind. With a clear mind, you can now focus on strategic execution. Productive people never work from a massive, overwhelming to-do list. Instead, they identify their single big rock priority for the day. This is the one high-impact task that, if completed, would make the entire day a success, regardless of what else happens. This concept comes from Stephen Covey's famous analogy. If you fill a jar with sand and small pebbles first, the big rocks will never fit. But if you place the big rocks in first, the smaller items naturally settle into the spaces around them. By committing to your big rock first thing in the morning, you resist the human bias toward low-impact busy work. On your daily path, you can visually pin this single priority so that it remains front and center, shielding you from the reactive demands of other people's agendas. Once your priority is clear, it is time to feed your mind. Before consuming mainstream news or social media, productive people feed their brains with high-quality, inspiring, or educational content. This could mean reading 10 pages of a book, listening to an educational podcast, or reviewing an industry article. The first information you consume primes your brain's reticular activating system, which acts as a filter for what you notice throughout the day. If you fill your mind with constructive, growth-oriented ideas first, your brain will unconsciously scan your environment for opportunities and creative solutions. Logging your daily insights on your growth journey turns passive reading into active, retrievable knowledge. Connection, gratitude, and mental contrasting. True productivity is not just about professional output, it is about emotional sustainability. That is why highly successful people incorporate a brief moment of genuine human connection into their mornings. This is not about networking or answering business messages. It is about sharing a meaningful moment with a partner, sending a warm voice note to a friend, or playing with a pet. This interaction releases oxytocin, which naturally lowers stress levels and fosters a deep sense of psychological safety. This emotional stability is further reinforced through a highly specific gratitude practice. Instead of writing down generic ideas like, "I am grateful for my health," productive people focus on vivid, concrete details from the last 24 hours. For example, they might write, "I am grateful for the warm cup of coffee my partner made for me this morning and the way the steam looked in the morning light." This level of specificity activates your brain's autobiographical memory and trains your neural pathways to search for the good in your life, raising your emotional baseline. To protect this positive state from the inevitable challenges of the day, productive people practice a visualization technique known as mental contrasting. Rather than just imagining a perfect day, they visualize their desired outcome alongside the most likely obstacle they will face, creating a clear if-then plan. For instance, you might decide, "I will write my report at 10 a.m. If my phone distracts me, then I will put it in another room." Rehearsing your response to obstacles ahead of time dramatically increases your chances of success and significantly reduces midday stress. Reconnecting with your why and tracking progress. Finally, before stepping into active work, productive people connect with their deeper purpose. They take a moment to review their why, their core mission statement, or a long-term vision of the person they are striving to become. It is remarkably easy to get lost in the daily grind of managing tasks and completely lose sight of why you are doing them in the first place. Purpose acts as your emotional anchor. When the day becomes difficult, remembering your deeper motivation provides the resilience needed to push through. While knowing these 10 morning habits is valuable,
The real challenge lies in consistent execution. Most morning routine advice fails because it does not provide a practical system for daily consistency. This is exactly why the Daily Path feature on NonoHub is so powerful. It transforms these concepts into a dynamic, interactive blueprint. As you move through your morning, crossing off steps like setting your intention, hydrating, and identifying your big rock, you build momentum. NonoHub's visual trackers and gamified growth garden turn daily self-discipline into a rewarding process. Over a week, you build a steady habit. Over a month, you establish an unbreakable routine. And over a year, you completely elevate your identity. You don't have to build a perfect routine overnight. Start small, track your progress, and claim your morning before the rest of the world even wakes up.